Don't say it broke yesterday. Say this. In the fast-paced world of tech, communication breakdowns can be as costly as a server outage. You're in a debrief and you ask, "The system crashed yesterday?" There's a moment of hesitation. This common phrasing isn't quite a question. It's a statement hoping for confirmation. It's a subtle linguistic bug that introduces ambiguity into a field that demands precision. Like a piece of deprecated code, it functions but not optimally, creating a slight friction in the collaborative machine. This awkwardness stems from a simple, missing grammatical component that, once understood, can streamline your professional interactions and eliminate costly misunderstandings before they even begin. Let's debug this common error together. Why does "it broke yesterday" feel so awkward? Because it lacks a vital operator that officially launches it as a question. The sentence structure is declarative, with only the upward inflection of your voice signaling an inquiry. In written communication, this is even more ambiguous. Imagine a bug report filed with that phrase. It lacks the directness required for swift action. This is like writing a line of code that's missing a critical function call. The program doesn't know what to execute. It forces the listener's brain to parse your intent rather than immediately processing the query. True efficiency in language, as in code, comes from removing any potential for misinterpretation. Fixing this linguistic bug is simpler than patching a software vulnerability, yet its impact is just as significant. Think of your professional dialogue as a user interface. Unclear questions create a poor user experience for your colleagues. We meticulously refactor our code for clarity and efficiency, so why not apply the same principle to our language? The solution lies in a single, powerful auxiliary verb that completely re-engineers the sentence. This small addition transforms an ambiguous statement into a precise and professional inquiry. It's the patch that ensures your communication protocol is running on the latest, most efficient version, fostering smoother collaboration and quicker problem resolution within any team. The key to this grammatical puzzle is the auxiliary verb did. In English, did is the primary engine for forming simple past tense questions. When we fail to use it, we're essentially trying to run a program without its main function. The verb to do, in its past tense form did, acts as a helper that signals to the listener that a question is being initiated. It correctly compiles our thought into a universally understood syntax. Without it, the sentence is just a statement of fact with a question mark appended as an afterthought. By inserting did at the beginning, we provide the necessary structure for a clear and direct inquiry. Here's the critical rule. Once you use did, the main verb of your sentence must return to its base, or infinitive form. This means broke, reverts to break, and crashed becomes crash. Think of did as a function that already contains the past tense parameter. Applying the past tense again to the main verb, as in did it broke, is redundant. This creates a syntax error in our spoken language, much like declaring the same variable twice in a script. To write clean, efficient linguistic code, we follow the DRY principle. Don't repeat yourself. This simple rule prevents logical conflicts and ensures our message is processed without any errors or confusion. Consider your question as a query to a database. The phrase "it broke yesterday" is like a poorly formed SQL statement. The database might try to guess your intention, but it's just as likely to return an error or worse, the wrong data entirely. However, the corrected question, "Did it break yesterday?" is a perfectly structured query. It is precise, unambiguous, and guarantees that the system will parse it correctly and return the exact information you requested. This level of precision is not just about being grammatically correct. It's about embodying the meticulousness and clarity that defines a skilled technical professional. It ensures you get the right answers faster. So we arrive at our optimized code. Did it break yesterday? This version is clean, direct, and unmistakably professional. This simple linguistic patch does more than just fix a grammatical error. It upgrades your entire communication interface. It transforms a hesitant, potentially confusing statement into a confident and clear inquiry that gets straight to the point. Using this structure signals to your team that you are as deliberate and precise with your language as you are with your code. This builds confidence and streamlines the entire debugging process, whether you're fixing a system or simply trying to understand a past event. It's a hallmark of effective collaboration in any technical environment. This powerful principle is not a one-off fix. It's a universal pattern for all past tense questions. Instead of saying, "You deployed the update?" you should ask, "Did you deploy the update?" Instead of, "She finished the documentation?" the correct form is, "Did she finish the documentation?" The formula is constant and reliable. Did plus subject plus base verb. Committing this pattern to memory is like learning a powerful keyboard shortcut or a fundamental command line function. It becomes an automatic part of your professional toolkit, saving you cognitive effort and preventing countless small misunderstandings. It's a simple upgrade that pays enormous dividends in every single technical discussion. Ultimately, language is the invisible protocol that governs all human collaboration. In the tech world, we would never rely on a buggy or deprecated network protocol that causes instability, so why do it with our language? Polishing these small details in our daily speech demonstrates a profound attention to detail, one of the most highly prized traits in any engineer or developer. It communicates respect for your colleagues' time and mental energy. By removing ambiguity, you build trust and make collaboration feel effortless. This commitment to clarity isn't just about grammar. It's about strengthening your professional reputation, one perfectly formed question at a time, building more robust connections. Therefore, the next time you need to inquire about a past event, remember to deploy the auxiliary verb did. Consider it a mental linter that debugs your questions before you even speak them, refactoring your communication for maximum impact and clarity. This small, conscious effort is a powerful investment in your professional development. It ensures your ideas are compiled with perfect syntax, eliminating communication bugs before they can disrupt your workflow. Subscribe to continue upgrading your professional English. Let's work together to build a future where our conversations are as clean and efficient as our code. Your career will thank you.